Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a closer look at Nano Banana, Google's newest AI experiment that's been making waves online. If you're curious whether this tool is just a gimmick or something genuinely useful, stick around because we're breaking it down. What it is. Nano Banana is Google's AI-powered assistant, designed to simplify tasks by understanding natural language and providing intelligent responses. It's essentially a compact AI tool that can summarize information, answer questions, generate content, and assist with research, all in one simple interface. Google positions it as a productivity booster, allowing users to save time and get accurate results without digging through multiple sources. How it works. Using Nano Banana is pretty straightforward. You type in a question or command, and the AI interprets it, giving you a clear and concise response. It can summarize long articles, draft short content, answer factual questions, and even help with brainstorming ideas. The interface is clean and minimal, so you're not overwhelmed with too many buttons or menus. It's designed to be intuitive, meaning you don't need prior experience with AI tools to get started. Who it's for. This tool is ideal for a wide range of users, students looking to simplify research, professionals who need quick summaries or content assistance, writers brainstorming ideas, or anyone curious about experimenting with cutting-edge AI tools. If you want an intelligent assistant to save time and boost productivity, Nano Banana could be a good fit. What people are saying. Many users appreciate how responsive and helpful Nano Banana is, particularly for summarizing content and answering complex questions quickly. On the flip side, some users report that the AI occasionally misinterprets context or generates answers that require refinement. Overall, most feedback highlights the tool's convenience and speed. Red flags. Since it's still experimental, Nano Banana can be inconsistent at times, and there are usage limits per session. Privacy-conscious users should remember that all input is processed on Google servers, so sensitive data should be handled carefully. Pros. Fast and accurate AI assistance. Clean, easy-to-use interface. Summarizes, generates content, and answers questions efficiently. Great for research, productivity, and creative brainstorming. Cons. Responses may occasionally need editing. Usage is limited per session. Privacy considerations for sensitive data. Recommendation. So here's my take. If you want a compact, smart AI assistant for everyday tasks and don't mind some occasional quirks, Nano Banana is definitely worth exploring. It's an exciting glimpse at the future of AI productivity tools, even if it's still in its early stages. That's it for this Nano Banana review. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more AI and tech insights.